guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a client tutorial that's more in-depth. I just posted one the other day, but it wasn't really a tutorial. It was just kind of a boring video of me doing someone's makeup. So I thought I'd talk a little bit more in this video and explain what I'm doing. So I have Allie here with me today, and we did like a coppery smoky look. So I started off with moisturizing. And we just want to prep the skin so the foundation looks nice and smooth. And then I'm going to prime with the Benefit Porefessionals, and then I'm going to go straight to eyes. I'm using Louise Base 2. And I'm just applying that over the eyelids, and then I'm kind of carving under the brow. I won't do brows until later, but I just thought I'd carve out up until the brow to leave the whole eyelid looking nice and even. So I'm doing that to both sides. Using the Jaclyn palette to achieve this look, and I didn't show what colors I'm using, and I don't remember the names of the colors I used, so I'll just kind of explain as I go. So first I'm taking a light to medium tan brown, and I'm just putting that in the crease and outer corner of the eye. So yeah, I'm just focusing it on the outer edge of my eye. A shade or two darker in the crease as well, just to define it a little bit more and make it a little bit deeper. And here I'm applying a deeper copper to the lid and just blending it all over, and then going back in with the fluffy brush and kind of like blending it in so it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm just taking a brown and blending the outer edge of the eye just to once again deepen it a little bit. Here I'm taking a champagne from the palette just to lighten the inner half of the eye and brighten it up a little bit. I'm cleaning up the edges with the makeup wipe just because there's a lot of fallout and I want a clean base when I do the rest of her face makeup. And now I'm just taking this e.l.f. brow and gel liner and just using that to line the lash line. I'm going to blend a darker brown with this eyeliner to kind of smoke it out a little bit. So here I'm taking one of the deeper shades from the Jaclyn palette and using that eyeshadow to kind of blend out that liner. And once again, using one of the deeper browns to kind of blend that line into the crease so it looks super smoked out. just applying some mascara before I put on falsies. Now I'm just using this Essence gel liner in the waterline just to make the look a little bit deeper, and I'm only focusing the line on the inner half of the eye. And the lashes I'm going to be using are the Ardell 113s, the Double Up 113s. They are the best lashes when you want to be like more on the natural side, but also want to have some drama, but not too much. You know what I mean? It's like a good, not too natural, but not too dramatic lash, and I love it. Especially for clients who aren't used to wearing lashes a lot, it's a good go-to eyelash. And here I'm just blending the lash band with some more of that brown eyeliner we used earlier. And then also using some more mascara to blend in the lashes. We decided last minute that we wanted to add some glitter, so I'm using a Stila Glitter and Glow in this, I can't even see what that says, Burnished Sienna. Does that sound right? Burnished Sienna? Did it really just say that? I don't know. But yeah, I'm just applying that to the inner half of the lid and then blending it out with the brush. Setting her face just to prep it for the foundation with the Morphe Continuous. In here I'm using the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect foundation, and I'm just applying that with a brush at first, and then I'm going to go in with a beauty blender and just further melt that into the skin. Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, and I'm just applying that underneath the eyes, on the forehead, down the nose, and on the chin. Taking my Maybelline loose setting powder and just putting that on the places that I concealed just to set it in place. Now I'm just dusting the extra powder and bake off of her face, and I'm going to go in with my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Pressed powder and apply that to the perimeters of her face just to keep everything set. now I'm taking the Kylie bronzer in the shade Almond, and I'm just putting that on her cheekbones and sides of her forehead, and a little bit down the nose as well. And then I'm going in with this e.l.f. palette. It's just a contour palette, and I'm just going over that bronzer, just add a little bit more color. And now I'm just carving out the contour or bronzer with the loose powder I used on her under eyes earlier, and I'm just carving that out to make a kind of sharp line. And now I'm going in with the Kylie blush in Kitten Baby, and it's a super pretty peachy blush. I love it. And now I'm taking Lou-manizer, and then I'm gonna go in with a e.l.f. highlighter, also on her cheekbones, on the tip of her nose, and also on the inner corner of her eye and her brow bone. So I will have a whole list of products I used down below. And now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and blending away the bake underneath her contour. And next I'm going to be just adding some lower lash line eyeshadow. So I took like a deeper maroon tone brown. And now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild coconut spray and just further setting her face makeup. And now I'm taking the Morphe Sweet Tea liner and just lining her lips. So the camera turned off and it was just a mess, but I put this lipstick on that wasn't the right color, and I blended another one on top of it. I'll try to figure out what colors I used and put them in the description. And I also used a butter gloss on top. Now I'm just using this powder eyebrow palette and filling in her eyebrows. So here's the finished look. I loved how it turned out. If you guys would like to see more client videos on different models, let me know. Or if you want different eye looks, different colors. I do a lot of natural looks, but I definitely want to experiment more with color on clients. So just let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, if you could give this video a like and subscribe if you want, that'd be great. Bye guys!